Nasasaktan ka kasi ikaw mismo ang gumawa niyan sa sarili mo. Hindi dahil pinili ka ni God, hindi dahil ikaw ang strongest warrior. Hindi dahil sinusubok ka ng langit. At lalong hindi dahil ikaw ang pinakamasamang tao sa mundo. No. Minsan it's simply karma. You hurt other people too. Maybe you cross boundaries, maybe you lied, you cheated, maybe you broke someone else's trust. And now what you're feeling is it's the same pain you caused. Hindi yan struggle na binigay ni God para maging strong soldier ka niya. Hindi yan obstacle na parang may malaking prize sa dulo. Hindi yan sign na galing sa heaven. That's your own karma coming back to you. Kasi lahat ng ginawa natin, pumapalik. Minsan mas mabigat pa. Truth hurts. But if you're brave enough to face it, that same karma can also be your greatest teacher. It shows you the weight of your actions. It forces you to feel what others felt. And if you let it can change you. So you don't repeat the same mistakes again. So, kung nasasaktan ka man ngayon, and you know deep down, na kasalanan mo din, own it. Accept it. Learn from it. Kasi kahit na karma yan, pwede ka pa rin magbago. Pwede ka pa rin mag-grow. You can still do better. You can still break the cycle. Okay, bye-bye.